Making me laugh.
You want to join me?
Oh no, baby. The journey is very, very far, so we got to rest. We got to take a rest. Go inside. I'll show you. Relax. Then you know what you're gonna do. You undress, go under the shower, shower yourself very well. Take a rest. Thereafter, we can talk. So, let me show you to the room. Let's go. Your room is my room.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Just watch there. It's your kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now, let's go to the
kitchen. I have follow.
All is for you. You know, city life is different from you. You know, there is something about you that I cherish and like. But I won't tell you now.
What is it about?
After you relax. Everything. I'll sit you down and I'll tell you from A to Z.
Mama, but Lebanon, Tayama Brown, my wife, I cannot Lebanon. I can't get pineapple, honestly. I'm not blown.
I swear heaven and earth, I'm going to take that great care of you from head to toe.
Thank you.
And you look very beautiful, more than city girls, okay?
Okay.
So let's go inside.
Okay.
I'm very tired.
Very,
very tired.
Hey.
You know, in cities, we always get explained.
level o class ni. Huh? Na ponya la fia o class e manya. Manya o class kaka. Manya o level na ko.
Aya.
Fool like you.
Fool. I like
donkey like you.
Let me magbulu
donkey like
galashinya. Funya rakala bloji. Galashin to. Ngine yanya ke maflo. Ya. Hey. Malong la ya. Mama punya ko mama la. Awnya ji. Awo.
Manya kati tu oge malanu fe. Me da bebe lo.
Ajesh. Malong ho mai mama lo.
Oh, along ho. Nya hamano. Mai ko jibe.
Ikwe.
Oh.
Obo.
Ikwe mana. Kaka kafumano wa. Ura cara toji jona pa majiba na una. O tolaga. Abopo. Ano dipo. Tro. Ala kokono. Ano gogo. Ko ikenya dupo.
Konya loga.
Kanya.
Kareje. Konya loga.
Konya dupo sasa kula. Kaje koma.
Kala jera lagi ala.
Away man. Va. Draw the motor. Va. Oh, Giovanna, continue à la fille. Il m'a d'abord à ton lot. Va. Giovanna, baby. Aduh. Fica na yes. Saloma ko ya. Fiam employee that there.
No more Jack Ballo, Polo, and I'm fine. Well, I love my life, Mamma, and I've
Beautiful. I have to say it. I just to burn top. Hey.
If you came out of
Mama Regalo, the Kaikatangoma again. Okay, Ikatangos. Very soon.
I can't vote for me, dear. You know the perfume, your boy.
Money? Oh my God, you go perfume day. But a quick 50 day. And if I get a city, I like it. You know the city movement. I never pick a cat on the car. A Bonagoma second. It's called series, okay?
Series.
A Goma second. But I know you're a sharp girl. Oh, I try them pa.
I guess I know my name.
Okay, Joe.
Oh, she might air condition. Father, man.
I put the air condition, money. And you, I can't buy the machine now. What she got? I like it. I like it, huh?
My father,
you knew the very first day, man. Oh, she know that. No matter the power for too much, kaka. As time goes on, you will like it. You will like it. We're gonna machine.
I will. Oh my gosh, she's
okay.
Okay.
But I know the right time to on it for you. It will make your skin very smooth, clean, nice one. Now you'll be looking clean. Oh, already our skin and your pole. I cannot get my air conditioner. However, I found very smooth.
Oh, I like you.
Oh, now when you're blown now.
I'm kind of now.
Oh, mas eu nunca filmo ela na ouro. Fiama da feira uma coisa. Bang 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 uma fila fia.
Não é filme.
Eu vou fiar uma coisa. Bang 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 bang. É junto. Look at you say that.
Oh, não, não, filme possível, é assim.
Vamos lá, vamos ver possível.
Acabou, falando. Spanish do mundo.
Ah, English. Me slang. You slang more worker than someone.
John, karena beberapa yang tua itu ge, abizumo, kuna buka kama flavor kagu. Kan maka hai bomo nyawo. Kala kwa do mi ekpa gba mo nyawo bana be zumo ya. Valeu pour ver imagine. Ah, tua itu ge zumo fo. Yibura kama flavor.
Anya ona glon mo kuna glon. Le de gepo afina nya le akagile onye loko be ge kuna yuko e gali kuna ba alo akogbe olu ege
ma fe mahama le ma o ba gamam na nkoro no gamam ma sirkaji o no fofon ko ma hora ba te fura kaple bo ari bonto
mahama gamam
aya
e ti ko fa bala e duya ma kuna ti
aye ma ti ko fa
wona yigede fi aka mahama le ya le vuvu oh kana choba ma no ina ya fa ko mi aka ta mi le te fa re ka
me genyala
ga to te fa le vuvu afi ko le to fa le vuvu e ge mana gere ge mama ba ba ga ke bi ko ma dofu ko ba ge ko ma dide ge a na ma nya fi ka to ge malo na to mo aji aw na to fi aw na donya ba lo ko chi no vinya ya ma gbona kra de ma to ga ne velia de ka si afi ko gbe nkomena anyakum
doga
anyakum
kala sinya wu wa ka doga fi ga po kala sinya papa
nya kama ploko nya awuya le wochia ya na ma plikura ma khafa de ko ma ko ma khafa ko ma khama
ayo awi
nyare ma bio ka kari anya ataduna anya ataduna male gbegbe kaka recommend ya gapi ele do ma fi moju je ma bia be na fe no because me gbo me pu ma bia be ele va bia tanye le gbo le to na bia mo ko
to yo se ma bia se non kena resi aba fiambari ye falia no nge ni so ndare e reda for hotum afina nya e bona afia be ye fa fo no
ah
ka bienya wona nya biega biema mana ko nya masabo
anya bia malo manya gela kanya kulme la do ma fi majo li le do ma fi majo
o su bo fun ma hu kwenya encore
anya bia me na la
akofa jigbori make na woni fia
anya ka
maka tutu na woni fia
anya ka ama fa ya bia me malo ama fa kana nya banya kulme li ya ma ya ku ta ku bia me la bo
bi kore me se bayige
abenka na gbogbo fi abe ama fa yigin maka boy
akuma si o bayire gi o nya cho bo yiro
bo jirigbo agbo nyare fi na ma se
o nya ma cho bo we ro duru bana fa
anya
o masia
anya ma se nyare ka bele na
gbo ma cho ba ka we ro duru bana fa gi masi bo ige ntu ara gbo ya o cho ka we aga tu ya lo ayige
ovi anya do lidi manya nya onye mi anu gbogbonku
baba ayige aka manya afiko yo nya o chupa we roduri
na gbogbo na fi abe ama fa yigin o han yi maka gbo legin
o ga bia ma o
ali afima jo yan ali afima jo da ma bia ma manya ne velia na nye da ma bia ma fiki akofa maka gbo ile gian
manya o to ma gbe no manya watchman manya la kofa no fi gere ma kpuru be fi ko yin no mo la ti le bro ku je bro na nya tere nya bi punya obu nkai to ye o pa pe mi le ma wo ma di amare watchman manya la mnya secret man manya yo jojo ga ba ka kpuru na wa
ta fi abros ba anya kpuru mi ali abafeli anya ye mi la fiade ko mi abafeli ko ye na gbogbo do ma na to ma bete blog na o na feli anya us ba nya gbagba ma
bodyguard manya secret man manya la mnya wo
le vie na nya la mnya le vie na nya la mnya ta nya na gbagba ma bete ngoro do gara na mo okay yo kai
In this mood, you are not sleeping? Come on, why are you like this? Talk to me. Why are you like this? Is there any problem? What is it? Are you sick? Do you need something? No, why? Like another. No, come on. I know you too well. You are my baby. Don't I know you again? And where? Gerald. But you can't be in this mood.
Why are you forcing me against my will? Just sleep.
Just, you change.
Just sleep. Mlonyi. Esanto, efa kona mlonyi. Ena mlonyi ani mabutano.
You can't be serious. Alright, let us go to bed. Let us sleep, okay?
Sleep. Mlonyi, I will join you. Mlonyi.
You know we go to bed together.
Okay. Just go. Baby, mommy have a problem here, so go. Just sleep.
Tell me what is eating you up. There is something eating you up. That's what I want to know.
Hello. Hey. Yeah. Ellie. Oh. It's been a long time.
Long time.
Wow.
Too bad Chinawa.
Oh, look at Mama.
See the bag.
Wow.
The bag is
you. Anyway.
Hello, dear. Hello, dear.
Yes.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Ellie is here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, dear.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Thank you.
This beauty is coming too much.
Ah.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
Okay. As you can see, I'm about to take my bath. So you guys enjoy yourself.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Relax and enjoy yourself.
Look at my phone a bit. Anyway.
Too bad Chinawa.
Yeah, Bello. Oh, I'm a bad crowd, eh? Yeah. In fact, Mommy got Babareke Jamon. Name me Vago. Mamma Bonnie Saga,
Your sister. I won't go Kaviama Valley busy daddy. You know when your mother garage you for a chick bonny, quick.
Nothing.
Like in Yagba.
Lilo Agbalin, there seems someone is hiding something from me. Wow! What a beautiful ring.
Oh, glory be to God.
Be
my
to God.
sister.
It seems you and Mopopo, finally, you guys have made it. And there is nothing can separate the two of you.
Oh, my sister.
Except God.
Point of correction. You know, we are going to the Jerusalem together. You know why? Because this ring means the whole world to me, my sister.
What did you say? Jerusalem.
Oh, my sister.
Together.
You can say it again.
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
Finally, it's true.
I'm so happy, my sister.
Anyway, we thank God. That is what we are looking for.
Oh,
Hey, upon a go and
who is that?
who else apart from my then no more popo dori. At least tell him that I'm going. He's waiting for me.
I feel I'm a good news song.
Make way mala. You go Jimmy le.
Bye bye. Oh, Elia vanya popo mala. Oh. Life is very wonderful. Honey. Honey.
Ayara kape nyeji. Yayara kape. Nagamano. Apo sigara do. Ita abo chusa se manela. Ko lo lo na la. No protect day and night.
Stupid fool.
Don't worry. Apo jirigo. Apo ye. Ufu ma ba odonelo. Apo obodo na ba gato. Apo fina.
Ibu baba do tuga e ma gbonyara kana mbana tanale. O mu fito e bona ha mo ngana yi.
O fito forget me ko ko to abu pa ma jo.
Agbara kama to na pa amore. Na ba to ya la.
Aventura. Conta me mo holo. Me ga gara fi mi ra ka fo ma ro to. Aga fi mi ra.
Ye nke jo me po to kan.
O fufu o ni me da punto. Na mi jo mi ko to ma o ma cha. Ah, gara mi jo la so mi jo. Ya, ya.
Cabralo. Baby, surprise me today.
This ring, this is my heart. This ring means everything in this world to me.
I know, I'm so happy. And you know, you surprised me a lot.
Oh, come on.
Wow.
You know I'm for you. And I'm also for you.
I
So please, this is my appreciation to you. And what you are seeing here is more than everything in this world.
Wow, I love you so much.
Sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Yes, dear. I'm in the kitchen. I'll be with you soon. You wake up already?
Oh, we are taking tea.
Yes.
Good. How? The night is okay.
Yeah. Baby, are you okay? No. What is the problem? You're not looking sweet this morning. What is the problem? Baby, no, you are not alright. Or is it because I'm living with you and I'm not going back to my parents again?
Listen, don't talk like that. You know, without you, life is meaningless to me.
So
don't
baby,
talk.
what is the problem?
It's just that I'm going to miss you, that is all.
Miss me? But I'm with you.
You know, there's one thing I'll be hiding from you, and I think it should be a surprise to you. Is that I got admission in university.
Admission?
University.
And you are leaving me and you hide it from me, baby.
No. Don't misunderstand me. It's that I just want to...
No, baby, you hide it. You hide it from me.
But please, take it easy. Remember, the member, Nina Kaka, Nkungu, Hekela, a Kuremia view, Chiba, a choa. They will live a better life.
But baby, you're not supposed to hide it from me.
I'm sorry for that.
And I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too. I'm not going to miss you. I'm going to miss you too. I love you. So I have to get prepared.
Okay.
Tomorrow I have to get married.
Oh.
So it's true, just to have to get married. So how do you see that?
Cool. I lost my appetite.
Come on, stop it.
Okay, since you are leaving me, you know what you could do to me right now? Let's spend some small time together.
Sweetie, children are of once here. Get up.
I am finished.
What happened that you are finished? What happened?
Oh, boy.
No, woman, a genius to chunk a johan.
Mo bog love the bog
But you don't look cheerful. Is there any problem?
I'm okay.
Oh, you are only saying Are you sure you are okay? Well, never mind. G-Devil.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, that means you're an Ewe girl?
You're okay.
Oh, I'm Ewe too. Good. Do you live around? Down at Fianoko. Oh, I see. I also lived around Isaka Road, just down there. House number 24.
Oh, okay.
But I've not seen you before. Maybe, but are you sure there is no problem? Because you don't look cheerful.
I'm okay.
You are okay?
Yeah.
Well, if you say so. So, am I free to visit you one day there? Don't say no.
It's okay.
That I will do. I will do.
Okay. House number 35.
35, eh?
Yeah.
The next road.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can locate the place.
Okay, next time.
Bye. guys didn't
Somebody else.
It's your boy.
Those guys now bigger boys, so I didn't tell you one thing. Don't kill me with your love.
My girl, my girl. She know be number one. Cause my girl. She be the perfect one. She's not too fat, not too slim. She be the perfect one. She's not too loud, not too dark. Anytime where I see her, anytime where I see her, when I'm holding her hand, or when we're doing something, she dey feel, she dey feel low, she dey feel the anointing. Anytime I give her, she dey feel the anointing. She dey feel the anointing.
You are my baby. Forget that guy. You sure? I called you flat. You're flat.
My girl, maybe me and you. My girl,
Let me
I guess so. Nobody there. You be the only one. Make you no fear. Anytime where I see her, anytime where I see her, when I'm holding her hand, or when we're doing something, she dey feel low, she dey feel the anointing. Anytime where I give out, she dey feel the anointing. She dey feel low.
I've not even checked what you're wearing. So it's like combination.
Wow, I forgot.
It's like God is ordaining something here.
Of course.
God is ordaining something here.
That is why I'm playing this song. Love.
If you talk of love, you can't stand it. I will shower you with love. I mean, simple, I'll bath you with love from head to toe. And I will always give you billions of kisses each and every day. What about that?
I'm okay with it.
Oh, baby. In fact, I'm very much delighted that you accepted me into your life. And believe you me, I'm not going to disappoint you for any reason. Either heavens have agreed or not, I'm there with you forever.
I know.
Really?
I
Really?
love you too.
I love you too. Baby.
I was sleeping.
Get up. Yeah.
Oh.
Can you pull me up? I'm very heavy guy. I'm very heavy. I'll give you heavy children.
Oh, baby.
I sound like their father.
Oh,
baby. Know that I'm leaving you. Just escort me then.
Then carry me.
Carry you?
My girl.
I'm joking.
I know I can do everything for you.
Anything I say, you will do it.
You know me. I'm in love. My queen, be queen, Hey! Oh, come on. I know it. Manya.
Oh! Don't do it, Magba.
Please. Oh.
Chum dindi. Heka. Nagbonaba my dress. Nyanya kwaga guduge. Ekwe my dress. A tora for paji. Since morning.
Nobody anyashanya corona blubber from A to Z la element. And I am at the wrong side. Baby. But everything happens for a reason. Okay, John.
Tell my baby.
Honey, it's me.
I've had them. Oh, they don't think they're not going to happen.
Imagine a phone my jagola.
Kako come no bamada. If I man no any your family lama.
When Mika Imagola, Mika Imabaranya Yomola. Oh, my baby.
A terrace number, Bobu, and yonder.
Your plan, buddy. My blood and no permanent you jump up to this. I got a name Jola. See, we tie and why you are. Let's go inside and explain to you. I know you will understand.
I can't give my young wage.
Far from that. Very far from that.
Kakabo.
Oh, honey. Check camera. Utonya neighbor Mona Mokona, Ujino, but some that you hang him up for none of the queen. I feel the same pain. My smile. My old smile. Cross my heart at this time tomorrow. Any big place of your own choice.
Never plum you.
Never plum you. I will never ever disappoint you. Manya, I'll go inside. You are. See, we tie and why you are. Let's go inside and explain to you. I know you will understand.
I can't give my young wage.
Far from that. Very far from that.
Kakabo.
Oh, honey. Check camera. Utonya, neighbor Mona Mokona, Ujino, but some that you hang him up for none of the queen. I feel the same pain. My smile. My old smile. Cross my heart at this time tomorrow. Any big place of your own choice.
Never plum you.
Never plum you. I will never ever disappoint you. Manya, I'll go inside. You are.
Nane.
Nyamana for one. As you should therefore.
Majashi.
Masabo what you don't know. Magbono, but not both don't hang at a ball. No, never fun.
Got in a man on it.
Jilawe come neighbor Lord. Kaka, when your mama no more buta. Yet, but limiting me a woman. Don't hang at a book.
Ni gbanjo tue ako no mfiara ba doro gbonye ba ye nkwenya nkoke ya oye amafa
emefa yo hankaji
ba ya ifa hia vienya jidafo tai magajimu
jidafo
na ga gbo para won na jidafo where ko go ahead and marry him oh
Yaya
majikunya majibanya ya mama jujunya ya nyantoela nyapama
Yaya kore unke kokoponya ya fifi lai kwenye ya
mama nya sisa nyanwo fota nya ka ha goge mama ina ba ma yo ko budu na falo
Yaya nya ma hodena bo mejeja ya huala kele no gaji yale aga kodo ki o dende mu ya yura me ga kodo ki koko dena ne kemu
your sister obu montu ko ka kai ma ba awanya he la ma rejimu do me fam le non fi ma hu fi ane
me ga fo do le nka enya kama fota now esema tani
Wole yo, chunti ntie kana baba my dress daddy. Ye, never. Ikwenye he. Mpo. Esedo. Nani amusara me. Asora ko vivim papa. Papa. Watchman, equila pem.
Hello, this is my baby.
What is there?
What is it? Oh, come on, give me my tea.
Hold it there.
Oh, you mean it? Where is it, baby? I won't hold it there, come on. Baby.
Hold it there. I'm here coming.
Where is it?
In a body.
You know, you see, I should have called you. At the workplace, something just came across, and my dad. Those words are not good for you. Don't use them on daddy, your own baby.
Nka daddy ni la fie. What na put here? Oh.
Well.
My regret.
Huh? Honey, Where's our
Man, I share oblong now. It's
Oh,
okay.
baby.
It's okay.
And you're looking good.
It's okay.
Pretty.
Oh.
Ooh, baby. Let me see. The most prettiest woman on earth. I have to call mom and dad and thank them big time for they have chosen a nice, beautiful woman for me. I am winning. Winner, oh, winner, winner, oh, winner. What is wrong, baby? See, whatever you do today, this minute. But as for today, you know what I mean. You are going to receive it from me. What about that? What's all this? What's all this? You can't just be doing that to me. Eh? What's that? Walked out on me? Did I do something wrong? Was there something I'm supposed to know? No. There is something I have to know. My baby, you're painful, you are like this, you are like that. No response, no positive action. You are my wife. Aren't you my wife? I ask again, aren't you my wife? You are my wife and I married you. I have to enjoy you.
I'm
You
not
have to
ready
enjoy
to
me.
buy. Point of correction.
Here you go again.
I was given to you by your parents as long as I am your wife. I'm not your legal wife.
What do you mean? Okay, look at that and mother. My mom and my dad told me that you are a nice woman.
Yes, of
with
course
a
I am.
nice character. But it's like I'm not seeing what they told me. Okay, Joe, is there anything I'm supposed to know?
So,
oh. Okay. Oh, something very nice. Destiny? Oh, yes. Good news.
I know, but wait. Nama Bumi.
It's like I'm rushing too much.
I'm nobody. Martin blogger feel. Tawenyo later.
Is it anything bad? What is it? Just mercy. If I can do something about it, then we do. Please. I will understand. Make me understand. You can make me understand me.
Ya follow. Sino ate ko ba
Dada. Papa. Emma faji mala. Yema va do rafia.
Baki na ma faji.
Sonya ma fami kona ma. Yiji mala va do rafia.
Nyawe le banyaji ma fa ko ro alo we le banyaji ma fa nyabo.
Nyatepe. Miawe o la ba mi agie ma fa. Ava do regbonye. Fine, it is true. Kakere ma bona mi fi na ke ma to do ma go. Sonya mala fa mana. Ha? Baki panusianu. Kodwe awe. Mi o koko dari na baba ko akwafia. Mi o title. This is the reason. Papa.
Ya utonya banyana kapo.
Mama, me kule ka hunya kula ma famille diro. Anjira mala mi adu no na kau.
Nani mo nyara ka bo masala ka mi ko nyong mi homo na ka ko ma na mi jira mala nya de kwa kwa ka kwa. Ajo. Mura para daddy no.
Ko ba ko le to. Mi ye to ko ye npe. No ma te ma bare. Nyama ko ko ma. Nyama chimu. Aka papa mama anya fosu bare. Yi ko ma da. Ma ko ba nyong la si ma ba.
No nya fi ka ka de. Na ba ko ma dro nya no. Kwa na ba ko ma nya mo ti ko de ma no mo ka fa ji. O je ta na ba la to ma. Na na mai ko ko ha ni.
Nyama ko ba ko fa mu lo. Anya gro ma le nya bare. Ma ko ba fi ma le aduga ma restaurant aduga ma. Mi ba la ba ma fa fi ka yo jimro ma restaurant fi ma. E fi agbanga ka ma ga la na na ma.
O mo sa ma ka ba nya de. Nya poto o mo sa ma ka ba nya de chofia. Ita nya do ko nya ko nyo bi afi asa ko.
Ala mi akwa fi ko ga la ko ti. Ma te nya ma ba. Anya soko. Na ba ko ma kure bi. Ma jo. Ya. Ma jo. Nyawe. Kiji.
Na me ya ma ta na ko ju de na jona ma. Idabo. Ciao. Enya ji fa nya magomo samulo.
Lake magoma samelo. Lake magoma samelo. Ale yo leyin. No di na evi.
O nya foto.
Yinyama pamela.
Nya foto o han lo de ji afidi. Ne de mo lo de jo. Me me fa de mi na tabiaga.
Manya we bagle.
Mada kukuno ya mi gble boko na le wo ga mi le de bi ko na nyo masifia. Fa be bia de o lake fon mi agbe ne ba abu mi pomo a.
Mana nanya. Hey. Aba iti de jana ko be ne.
Ike me na jigado. Ka nya kru ige. Nka, nya kru ige, nya kru be bia tata nya kru ige.
Nya fofo. Manyimu. Mana nanya. Ne dak banam ko ma fa kanu gogo. O das na bi ne. Na no mo na agbe ma.
Nyafoto ala maba nyi ko nyu dia ga kan moda kukuno we nya ntua na no ngonam na le mi ogam ya nyi mi aja gbo ava fi o nya bata no ana ngon nya be ja kron na ya kle na ntoi
no blom abe ye to kwase no blom abe ye to kwase
aya kuku da me mala moda kukuno amada ba fi asi amada kukuno nyafoto asi amada kukuno na kbada nchinya ni ya
No, love for more. Yeah, we are keep it real with these girls. So, minute.
Yeah, I met a girl last night. Such a beautiful creature. I said I met a girl last night. I told her it's nice to meet ya. I said hello, she said hey masa. You're not the type that I won't give my heart to. I don't do actors and I don't do rappers. Pardon my manners, but what be your matter?
cute face. Back so nice, waist like a shoelace. Make you no talk, child, pack a suitcase. Trip to the island for a few days. How you lick your lip when you sip that wine. Turn me on the way you twist and whine. Bad yeah, but she make me feel so good. Mommy, tonight I wanna hold you. Sexy and pretty too. She know everything she do. Make me love her more. Love her more. She's sexy and pretty too. She know everything she do. Make me love her more. Love her more.
I met a girl last night too. Tell you man, I met a girl last night in the club. She just came for a selfie. Then she claimed she got a secret to tell me. She said she had my biggest fun. And when she turned around, I saw the cutest bum. Oh, damn, I've been singing quay. It's like a candy book, I cry with and qua. She said no, 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 no. She said she know in a no one night stand. She love to party and that's just all. She basically telling me to try another time. Charlie, she make a shy papa. Cause you know say me I'm not the chat my fan. But I tell you this one, she be tight papa.
True. Wake up.
What is it? Oh. loved it.
How dare you? 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 Leave me alone. You are a stupid man. Fucking man like you.
You can't just use those languages. They're not good of you. Baby, see.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
The night is still long.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Leave me. Leave me.
There you go again.
I'm going now. The man you want me out in a banana, man, I'm going to go.
You don't have to go that far.
In a jar, I'm a grown man on alcohol.
When you talk this way, I feel pain within me.
Bad man.
No, I'm not. See,
leave me alone.
Know that I've made you a woman.
Leave me alone.
And there's a great price.
You raped me.
Come back. Wait.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Come back here. We did. Like that.
We did.
And when you're ready, up and down, business here and there, up, down, you know, man is not getting time. Serious. There is a proverb that says, the bigger your head, the bigger your headache. As you are becoming big and prosperous in life, so you'll be solving problems.
I get you.
That's not the problem. Let's leave that one aside.
Okay. What is it now?
Charlie, what do go get Lara? In fact, that girl is killing me with love. I love this girl.
You with girl? Yeah, bro. Malatoji.
The most important thing is the girl is a virgin. And I broke her virginity.
Virgin?
I tell you.
That virgin, I don't know.
There you
go.
You.
How you know me?
See, you can be serious. Now my plan is to marry that girl.
In addition to the one your parents gave to you.
Oh, there you go again. Leave that girl. Leave her. I beg. I want you to be my backbone to marry that girl.
Back what?
Backbone now.
Back stick. Yeah, bro.
Anyhow you want grammar around.
Yeah, bro.
I know say be grammarian. Be my backbone.
So you need my advice.
To marry that girl.
You need my advice.
My ring.
You need my advice.
Yes.
A brother.
Correct.
A friend.
You know.
Man, you know.
Huh?
You.
Can you give me just one reason why I shouldn't go there? There is a proverb which says, he who wears the shoe knows where it pinches. I know the girl, you don't know her. The only thing I want from you is to back me up. Let me go ahead, put the ring, but nothing again.
So you need my backup?
That's all I need from you as a good friend.
To me,
yes.
A friend, a brother, it's no. Simply no.
Meaning?
Don't go there.
judgment na nyapam. Okay, Joe. Nka jige na va afia. Oh. Hey no, the guest house am German now. Ogugbo fa nyapam na ga ba rape right.
That is the reason I'm here to apologize.
I beg. Hold it there. Fear not to get up, my mother. Who could twin a gado? Oh! SMA.
You are asking me out of your house.
Out!
Baby! Baby! Good evening. How are you doing? You don't look cheerful. What is it? How is mom and dad? You don't look cheerful, baby. What is it? Is there anything wrong? Well, I hope you have forgiven me for what happened the last time. I'll be very much delighted if you open your mouth and say you have forgiven me. Well, I'm here for a different purpose. Yes. Yeah.
A purpose?
Yeah. I don't know how you accept it, but anyway, let me come with it.
What is it?
Baby, frankly speaking, I am in love with you.
What?
I fall in love with you.
Me?
Yes. You know, this
No. Hold it there. If I may ask, can I fall in love? Is it because of the way you rape me? No. Odomatoka.
Far from that. Far from that. You know, every man looks for equality in a lady or a woman before he follows. And
oh, okay.
Once again, I said not that far away from that. You know, there is something I saw in you which gladdens my heart. Okay, to love you. Come on. And if you can give me that, go ahead.
Oh yes, sister, la fama. I try and your moja kai kumoga garage.
Oh, nothing here be abla. A jochichi light of Naya. You never home how or Jonan to you decided no one here. You blow on over fire.
A jochina. Huh? A Bakumia Durana Maubo. Wow, the young mule for Chuafuba.
Ye be abla.
Oh, yes, sister.
And I called you. Came on, Wabe. None of them of
yes, sister. Mabana no food and your bus today. Nina kama bunchi buka na ma chahela matruela na ma chahela matruela na ba amada kama dada ale mako banya sister nako mama da jini na lolo ha bowe na masi
what blena what are friends for
après to vi amobrono ba ajavelia pe plon do vi ige madam wa ham fiara ma o very kuma après to vi ma ga va doro gonye bebe
ya you are
oh nyata to ma blewa
nyaka blonele
and he sound seriously
ya you are what are you saying?
You heard me.
The same guy that took you out and raped you?
The same guy.
But wait, Emukowo, let go over Dore Bokblemwa. I think Blono be other. So, how did you take it?
Your sister, mala confused. Nyamakata ma totola de kwinyama.
My God. Yeah, you are. Nyaka Blona Lenado Q. The be at Blonam Fiabe Mele Idokrimo just because of this rapist.
That is why I'm here, my sister.
Anyway, please come.
I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Confused about what? What are you trying to say? Mopopo Joe in a vac accident. You be sutrora me bubunwa. Oh, come on, yeah, what are you saying?
I cannot forget Mopopo. But if I want to depend on Mopopo, I will remain single. I forget Mopopo. I cannot forget Mopopo.
Oh, come on, what are you trying to say? Follow your heart.
I should follow my heart.
That's all.
If I want to follow my heart, my sister, I will remain single.
Is that what you're thinking?
Seriously. My sister, if I want to follow my heart, I will remain single.
I don't want to hear all this. You know something? Let me just get inside and prepare something so that we eat.
Oh, don't be annoyed.
Oh, come on.
Sis.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side.
I've been trying for so long to let you know how I feel. And if I stumble, if I fall, just help me back so I can make you see. Please give me one more night. Give me one
without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Yaira. Baka basi ya. Apa no?
Apa to?
Sine wande ni apa mejo wawizo.
Bara kumisia.
Ke nya do banana. Yo banana.
Ndi apa ma? Devio omodo. Devio omodo amodo. Ah, coba to ha. Omodo.
Yo devio. Elia.
Apa no?
Apa to?
Kuna sagana nyapa majiro be. Always on. Nya de shi.
Bara kumisia.
Dijaho.
Papa.
Sina jangan ga boba. Ma awu wana ba. Ma ga tengi. Ba ku ni ya tengi matikpa. Ya, anyo wana ga pa apa.
Gogo ruto.
Dan dia va ona ovio. Baglava o palura.
Ayo.
Ke nyawezo.
Yo. Sina de amanga baba. Nya mi le fa na te ji.
Ka bon. Apo asa kwa la. Yo apa na fi. Mo ji ba ma aje bere ji. Na ti ana mo ma.
Sepupu li hama-hama.
Oh, jangan toh.
Betul.
Alo sepupu ayah lagi tanah. Yo, boy. Emang harus le fine ta.
Amaga sepupu li hama-hama. Sepupu kafu medio na. Ujo jino medio ya tanya.
Manya ama sepupu nya makpo. Manya aji alo kwa sepupu.
Me ajui me koko dama.
Aba ulani ba.
Kita ya ira.
Aha.
Oh.
Yo nyapa no sine ba yezo.
Bora kumisia.
Ya ira mievie.
Mievie.
Dada ini. Ni abale unto na ni na ha. Mateji ga agarre.
Bari majoko.
Ka unto ji ba ya anga sapu polo ala ma ko banya plumiano fa ma.
Nyanto ya. Si malefia sapu kuma kwa kali hanga na. Vinyenye ye manga sapu kwa dasina.
Ayo. O da kapio yo lablo o je yin na ma ko no to go ni o. Anyo be mi jila o mi anya fo ado atofo nya no jira kana. Akpo be o wo no da tito. Le na da fo e jojina. Ada maga ko fo. Kakazi be o man no chikere domo. Ami ayo mi age yo be ya yira ko.
Nya pato.
Ami abiegbe.
Moda ku kwa fi mi awia, ma diva. Moda ku aduka ma to ni.
Pau. Anu ni ba.
Apa to dia de adoka wala ni adoka won ni.
Doctor. Chika wala.
Yira.
Yaira. Baby come. Oh, dia do fantol dia ni.
Yaira.
Ba ajesie.
Papa Maroki.
Ada machichifo ba ye po olula jina. Yata obleme jilao. Ba yo ba pom. La ko la boy. Allora dia.
Papa Maroki. Mama Raji.
Uchu kwa gudu. O man lo na ko banyak baraka ba.
Ya ti wona glimulom.
Yo wa yi.
Tadi Maroki.
Yo. Ama cha palu.
Maga.
Nyaweza. Nyawa anyareke mene. Nyasifu nyando. Siha. Au. Mereka begitu aja ba. Nyaruk nopo. Dada reko. Jadi yo na tu cuma. Oi mani pofia. Kan mungkin mau kalian. mi punya blok ni punya be je sieko ke ngara kamenya ka onda be
ta zalesika abayan apa anya aso ko nya mo vana na tipo mo dah ya dia mau makan
nyahono oku aku jiharovi kamu fakata yo nyakoi
abu itu apa membawa ta nyanyi apa simple
akbar
yo
Dokita dore agalama.
Yes, dear. You feel like fear. Mau plomi varo fear. Lui kenya. Kong na family ya fear. Yana mi akwa future. Neke future la no no be. Baro bona iba ma phone la ka. Na ma stand at your gate ni. Well, the sky is the limit.